Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Resolution defines how many pixels fit horizontally and vertically on your screen. A common example is 1920 x 1080, and another is 3840 x 2160. Higher resolution shows more content and sharper images on the display. Higher pixels make individual items appear smaller at the native scale. You can use scaling to enlarge items without lowering resolution. Scaling options commonly include 100%, 125%, and 150% for clearer readability. Knowing native resolution helps you pick the best balance for clarity and usable workspace. Open Settings and go to System, then choose Display to access resolution controls. Scroll to Display Resolution and pick a setting such as 1920 x 1080 or 2560 x 1440 from the drop-down. Windows will preview the change and ask you to keep changes by clicking Keep Changes. If text is too small, adjust scaling to values such as 100% or 125% before confirming. For multi-monitor setups, select each monitor and set its resolution individually for native pixel clarity. Apply and test on a Mac Open System settings and choose Displays to view resolution options. Choose Default for display or pick Scaled and select a specific pixel count if you prefer. If changes fail, update your graphics driver or reconnect the display with a certified HDMI or DisplayPort cable. For 4K displays, ensure the cable and port support 3840 x 2160 at 60 Hz for smooth motion. When using external monitors, set the refresh rate and verify color profile for accurate visuals. Always restart after major changes to ensure stable results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.